Hello you guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm quite tired this morning. Honestly, the husband for the past couple of days has been snoring like a bear. I feel like I said this in another vlog, but I don't know why the past week it's just been really bad. So I'm trying to catch up on sleep. Last night wasn't as bad as the previous 2 or 3 nights, but oh my god, I need to look on Amazon for something to help him, like a nose thing, or I don't know. If you guys have suggestions, let me know. It is the middle of June and look at this weather. It's gonna be 15 degrees today, that's it, and it's so gloomy and it's not cute. And don't mind my dirty windows. After today though, I was looking at the weather network and it should go back to the late 20s, early 30s, so it's going to get hot I think after today. It's just been so strange the past week to 2 weeks. It's been gloomy, it's been chilly, it's been raining. It's where the heck is the warm weather? Right now it is 8:46. I'm gonna go do a workout first thing this morning. I'm just gonna have a quick banana before and then I'll have a full breakfast after. I want to get it done first thing this morning, one, because I love working out in the mornings, but two, we have somebody coming today to change our fan coil, to do a maintenance. They basically just change the filter on our AC. I think they do it quarterly, I don't know, but they do it quite often, which is obviously a good thing. But they're doing ours today and I think usually they're here around 10 a.m, 10:30-ish. So since I have Kobe, I want to make sure that I'm home because he's gonna lose his mind and be barking. So I'm just gonna have a banana for some quick carbs and fuel. So there's our thermostat. This is what they have to change. They're gonna open this up, take the filter out and put a new one in. So I have to make sure that I move all of this. As well, I do need to move my mirror because the plug is behind the mirror that they need to use. So I just want to make sure I'm back for that. And there's Mr. Kobe. What are you doing? Hey, he's already grumpy this morning. He heard them bringing the filter in front of our door and he's been growling, right? You're already not happy. Yeah, you're so cute. I was just trying to think about what I want to wear to the gym, and actually this morning, you guys just saw on my chair, I had a couple packages. When I was walking Kobe and coming back up, the security guard gave me the packages, and one of them is from Muscle Nation, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys later today, but I think I'm gonna quickly open it and wear one of those outfits, and then I'll still show you everything else later. By the time this video is up, Muscle Nation will have launched these new pieces. So the pieces that I wanted to wear was this. So I got 5 pieces all together. Those 3 I'll show you later. But the 2 that I want to wear today are the Zero Rise Rib bike shorts in the color Deep Brown. This is what it looks like. I love this color. And then I want to wear that with the Desire Aura bra in Deep Brown gingham print. So it's this brown and cream color checkered sports bra. I'm going to put this on and show you guys what it looks like on. I'm actually loving it. I'm not usually somebody that gravitates towards checkered, but when I saw this bra, I was like, okay, I want to try it out, and I actually really like it. It's super comfortable. I feel like it's good for both small chested and bigger chested ladies because I feel like there's a lot of support. It's also a little bit more full coverage. There's the elastic band on the bottom, and honestly I just kind of really like the print, and it really goes good with these brown shorts. Really like the color. I know in the summertime people really like bright, vibrant, fun colors, but I'm digging this right now. I'm wearing a medium in both the top and bottom. I love the shorts. They're bike shorts. There's no front seam. It also is this ribbed material. This is what the back of the bra looks like. So the straps kind of crisscross, and then the shorts do have that V booty contour. I'll show you guys the other pieces I got later. I'm just gonna pack my bag. So I have my Apple AirPod Maxes I'm gonna wear. I'm also gonna bring my earbuds. That's probably dumb, but I'm gonna go into the sauna after, and it's just better to wear the earbuds instead of the big AirPods. I have my long resistance band for warming up, a towel for the dry sauna, and then I just need some water. got back, done my workout. I didn't end up going to the sauna because I had a little bit of a longer workout than I thought. I don't even think I recorded everything. If I didn't, I'm gonna have the full workout in the description box anyways. I'm super hungry, but I think the guys are on my floor now, so I need to move my mirror and my chair before I do anything. For the mirror, I just put it sideways because they just need that plug, so I don't want to move it fully because it is pretty big, as you can see. And then the chair I just threw in my kitchen because this whole space needs to be open. Also gonna put my TV on something just because it's always a little bit awkward when they come in, the silence. So we're just gonna put something to play in the background. Okay, literally, never mind. I don't know why every single channel is saying something's wrong, so I'm gonna have to reboot the system. That's enough. This is breakfast for today. I have an everything bagel, scrambled eggs, and some blueberries. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna eat. I have my laptop. I'm gonna open that up and do some work emails that I need to respond to. As well, I do need to do my Amazon deals for my like fashion Instagram page. I talked about this in another vlog, Kayla Jukic Finds. I post Amazon deals, so like what's, you know, on sale that day, every single day, Monday to Saturday. Usually Sundays I take it off just because that's like my family day. Sometimes I'll still post on Sundays, but for the most part, Monday to Saturday, I'm pretty like spot on with it. I also just took a peek outside and the guys for the maintenance are on my floor, so they're probably gonna be here in the next like 5 or 10 minutes anyways. So I might as well just get the work done now because afterwards I really need a shower. Like my hair, she's gross. I'm out of the shower now, as you can see, and the HVAC guy came and changed the filter, so that's all good. It probably took like not even 10 minutes. He literally talks my ear off. He today especially asked me so many questions. He was like, are you working today? Are you working from home? What do you do for work? How big is your business? Like, just like, what's your business name? And I'm like, buddy, you're here to just change my HVAC. Like, I'm not trying to get personal with you. So I thought that was a bit weird. I don't know. Like I said, this guy has come like pretty much every single time we've done this, and he's always been nice. Like, just said like, hi, how are you? Like, made kind of small talk. But like today I felt like, I don't know, he was trying to get a little too personal, and I'm like, no, like, no. Also, it was so freaking weird. 10 minutes before he came in, the Wi-Fi in my house went out. You guys saw my TV wasn't working, and then my internet went out. So I was like, what the hell's going on? And then the freaking fire alarm in my condo went off. I'm like, okay, there's just too many things going on right now, all at the same time. It was so weird. My shower was honestly much needed. My hair was so freaking gross. I'm gonna put in a leave-in conditioner right now. I swear I shampooed my hair like 3 times. I don't know if you guys do the same. I usually at least do it twice just because, especially now with the summer, I'm doing my hair a lot more. Like, I'm curling it or just like putting heat to it or whatever, or hairspray and that kind of stuff. So I just want to really like wash it out and make sure it's good. I've also been really loving using a comb instead of a brush. I just feel like it's easier on the hair, like it doesn't pull it as much. And then I'm going to use my Moroccan oil. I've shown you guys this a bunch of times. This is like a heat protectant. So I'm not gonna put anything heat to my hair today, I don't think, but I probably will at some point this week. So we're gonna just quickly spray it. Oh, it smells so good. It is a little bit later now, and I'm gonna sit down and have some lunch. This week for my meal prep, I made a bolognese pasta, so just rotini pasta with some sauce that my dad gave me a few weeks ago. And then I just cooked some extra lean ground turkey, and I threw that all together. I quickly want to also go over my packages. I'm not going to show you guys my Amazon packages, I don't think, because I need to film it for Instagram. Like, I have to do an unboxing. So what I will show you is the other Muscle Nation pieces that I got. I told you guys I would show you that. And then as well, I took Kobe on another walk and I got this package. Like, look how big this is. It's gonna take up the entire screen, but this is Alan's little brother's graduation gift. He's actually graduating in 3 days, and I wasn't sure that this gift was going to come in time, so I'm really glad that it did. Okay, now for the Muscle Nation stuff. So I got 3 other things that were in that package I opened this morning. The first one is the Aurora bralette in the color black. I have this bralette in a few other colors, and you know what? You can just never go wrong with black. So picked that up. It's very minimal. It's like a deep V-neck, thin straps that crisscross on the backside. Then I got, again, the Aurora bralette, but in the color forest green. This forest green is a new color, so I'm very excited about that because if you guys have been following me for a while, I love green. Exact same bra. It matches literally what I'm wearing right now, which is also Muscle Nation. And then the third thing is the Desire Aura bra, but this time in neon pink gingham print. So it's the exact same bra that I wore for my workout this morning, but it is in this bright pink color. So vibrant and fun. So I have a Zoom call on Tuesdays with one of my clients. It's usually at 6 p.m. but today she needed to change it to earlier, so I'm doing it with her at 3 p.m. which is in 1 hour. In the meantime, I'm actually gonna start doing some work, so you guys are gonna get the little BTS of that. I want to do a little cute unboxing of this Muscle Nation stuff, so I'm gonna put it all back into the bags. I really like doing like little ASMR unboxing videos. You guys literally would not believe how many times I do this sometimes, because like if I do an unboxing for you and then I do an unboxing for like TikTok, which is filmed vertically, you guys are horizontal, it's like it gets out of hand sometimes how many things I have to repeat, but that's just the life of a content creator, honestly. Like, just being so for real with you guys. Even the outfit that I wore this morning, it's obviously stinky because I worked out in it, but the people of Instagram aren't gonna know that, so I'm just gonna put them in here so I can shoot it with my video, and then I'll put it back in my laundry basket. Literally, that only took like 5 minutes and my back is killing already. But that one's done. I just got changed. I'll show you guys in a second. This little cute romper is from Amazon, but I just got a very last minute nail appointment. Alan's not gonna be home for another like hour or two, and I finished what I needed to do and I'm kind of bored now, so I called my nail place and I was like, is there a chance I could just like come in right now? And she was like, yeah, we're not busy. So I'm gonna go in and get my nails done as well as my toes. Right now I have this very beautiful blue color, but it's like been 3 weeks, so it's like 3 weeks outgrown. I've chipped a couple of them. This one is like really bad, and I need to also do my toes because I haven't done them since before we went on our cruise. And now that the weather's getting nicer out, I just know I'm gonna be wearing more sandals, so we have to have nice toes. It actually got decently nice out now, the sun's out, so I changed out of the jeans and I put this romper on that's from Amazon. I actually got sent this from a brand and I freaking love it. I love that it's oversized and super comfortable. It's like very baggy. It has 2 pockets, these buttons going up. It has adjustable spaghetti straps. It's just super cute and comfortable. I put a white tube top underneath it from Garage. I'll link this romper in the description box, but I'm gonna head out now. I'm actually gonna walk there since it's nice and I don't have a car since Alan has it with him at work. But I'm excited to get some steps in because I haven't got that many steps in today already. got home from getting my nails done and I went with this like very neon bright orange. I actually love it. I'm kind of obsessed. Sorry that I'm showing you my feet, but I went with this like really light white pinky color. I just like always keeping it neutral on the toes, and I've been loving just doing like bright colors on my fingers. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I always do like neutrals, whites, blacks, browns, that type of stuff. But this summer, I'm really trying to try new things. I had yellow, I had that bright blue, and now I have orange. And my nail girl was like, I love this on you, it looks really good. So now I just need to get a little bit more of a tan so it stands out, but really good. I also ended up going to the dollar store because it's not far from my nail place. I picked up some cards. I got some dog poo bags because Kobe's running out soon. I got this blue tissue paper. I needed to get some bags. One is for my sister-in-law's graduation. This is for a birthday. I got the wrapping paper. I'm gonna use this for the big gift I showed you guys earlier. And then right beside the dollar store is a Carter's. I have one of my girlfriend's, her son's first birthday coming up in July. So I figured I might as well go in and get his gift. So I bought this little cute set. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed, like baby fever galore. And then I got this little cute set. I love them. I'm also gonna get a little toy from Amazon. I literally have to wrap this in the middle of my kitchen because this is so stinking big. Let's see. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, this might be actually easier than I thought it was going to be. I can't even tell if the wrapping is like a dark blue or a black. Like, I don't know if I'm blind, but it's so hard to tell. So like I said, this is for Alan's little brother's graduation. It's on Friday, and then we're going out for dinner afterwards, and I'm gonna be bringing this. It's so big, he's literally going to be like, what the heck did you buy me? And probably people at the restaurant are gonna be like, what? He's literally gonna think we bought him a TV, I think. So funny. I was able to wrap it. It looks really good. Like I said, I just want to add a big gold bow, and I think I'm gonna buy some like string or something. Well, not string, whatever that stuff is called that you wrap around presents, and it will look really cute.